Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be replacing the license plate tag lights with these F150 LEDs. I had previously replaced the backup bulbs and the cargo and third light bulbs with F150 LEDs. So I figured why not replace the tag lights as well to make everything look the same. In this video I'll show you how to remove and replace your tag light bulbs, and I'll also do a side-by-side comparison of the halogen bulbs versus the F150 LEDs, so stick around. To remove these tag lights, it's going to be tool-free. It's a little hard to see, but you have to come underneath your bumper and you got to squeeze. There's some clips on both sides that you have to squeeze together, and then this bulb, this whole socket will pull out. So feel up underneath. There's clips that you have to squeeze together on both sides. Squeeze them together and this whole piece will just pop right out. Now be careful, don't pull very hard because your wires are very short. And here's a look at those clips I was telling you about that you need to squeeze together. It's right here and then again on the other side. And they just snap behind the housing here of your bumper. Just be very careful not to pull much on your wires, and just turn this housing. And there you have your bulb. To remove it, just pull it out. They do all pull out fairly hard, so don't be afraid to give them a little tug. Take your F150 LEDs. Line them up with the groove and push them in. Pick your cap up, line up these grooves with the grooves on your bulb, and then turn it. You're going to turn the housing here clockwise to get it to lock back in. Now to get this assembly back in, just have these clips on the sides here and here, and then just push it back into place until you hear it click in. It's as simple as that. Go ahead and repeat the process on the other side. Here's a look at your standard halogen tag lights. You can barely even see the F150 logo. Here is a look at the tag lights with F150 LEDs installed. What a difference. That is pretty cool. You can even see the F150 logo on the back of my truck now. Those tag lights sure complement the reverse lights and the cargo lights that I previously installed from F150 LEDs. Here's a look at all three of them together. Well, thanks for joining me today. If you're in the market to upgrade your standard lighting on your F150 truck, I recommend taking a look at F150 LEDs. They have a great lineup of bulbs along with excellent customer service. As you can see in the video, the F150 LED tag lights were much brighter than the standard ones, and they also complement the F150 LED reverse lights along with the cargo lights that were previously replaced. Thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.